Hello students. Today we start a new chapter, that is chapter number 6, changes around us. In our everyday we see different kind of changes around us, like day transforming into the night, the season changing from winter to summer, dissolving of ice to water, preparing of food, rusting of iron, development of our body, etc. Various changes are occurring around us. Some of these progressions can be seen promptly. A few changes can be seen after some time, and there are few changes that even can't be taken a note. Each changes has reason. For instance, day and night substituted as a result of the pivot of the earth around the sun. You know, we are surrounded by different type of things, and all these things have a different properties such as state, color, position, shape, size, even chemical composition also. When one or more properties of a thing become different, we say that it has a change or change has taken place in it. Maybe these changes occur by applying some amount of energy or temperature, sometime applying pressure, the molecules of a substance become changed, or sometimes this change occur naturally. Even some changes are beneficial to us, whereas some are harmful. For example, changing of curd from milk, it is beneficial for us, but rusting of iron, it is also a change which is harmful for us. Sometimes some changes are periodic and some changes are non-periodic. What is periodic change? Some events that repeated themselves after a fixed period of time and whose occurrence can be predicted are called periodic change. For example, rotation of earth, evolution of earth, day and night, season change, etc. And sometimes some events that do not repeated themselves after a regular interval. So this type of change are called non-periodic change. For example, natural disaster like earthquake, cyclone, tsunami, etc. Melting of ice, boiling of water, or burning of paper, even ripening of fruits is also a type of change. Even changes of the position of sun in the sky also a change. Even changes in season, changes in weather, these all are a type of change. So in every day we notice different type of change. Today our total chapter based on this different type of change. So all changes around us can be classified into two categories, that is reversible change and irreversible change. So first one is reversible change. So what is the reversible change? Actually, reversible changes are such type of change where we can get back to the original substances after it change into product. So this type of change actually reversible change. For example, melting of ice. After melting, ice converted into water. But if you want to transfer this water into ice again, then it is possible. So such type of change actually known as reversible change, where we can get back to the original substances. Actually, during this reversible change, the physical properties of the substance are changed. That means boiling point or melting point or order, sometime color or shape, such type of properties are changed in reversible change, and it is a type of physical change also. There are so many examples present for reversible change, that is melting of ice, boiling of water, stretching of rubber band, or dissolving of salt into water, etc. When ice changes into water, then you know the only physical properties or only the state of ice are changed. That is, it transfer into solid state to liquid state. And during these changes, the particles of water are constructed to form. When we boil a water, then you know the water molecule transfer into gaseous state. That means only the state of water changes. Similarly, when ice transferred into water, then there also change of state occur. Similarly, when water transfer into ice, then it's also an example of reversible change. So for this type of change, we can back to the original substances. When we add sugar or salt into water, then you know it form a solution, and from this solution, if we evaporate the water molecules, then we can get back to this sugar or salt. So this is also an example of reversible change. Thus, dissolving salts in water is a reversible change. Similarly, the melting of coal tar on heating and softening of iron on heating to red hot state is also a reversible change. So I think it is enough for today. Next day we'll discuss about irreversible change. Thank you.